Google is now rolling out the Android 16 QPR3 Beta 2.1 update for Pixel devices. So if you're using a Google Pixel 6 or any newer Pixel phone, you can check right now to see if the latest Android 16 QPR3 Beta 2.1 update is available for your device. Just make sure your Pixel is already enrolled in the Android 16 QPR3 Beta program, because this update is only available to beta users. In this video, let's take a look at how to check for the update and what's new in the latest Android 16 QPR3 Beta 2.1. I'm currently using a Google Pixel 10. To check for the update on your Pixel, go to Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Software Update. Then tap System Update. Here you can see the Android 16 QPR3 Beta 2.1 update is available. The build version is CP11.251209.009.A1, and the update size is about 98.39 megabytes, roughly a 100 megabytes update. Now let's download and install this update on the Pixel device, then review what's new and what's changed in Android 16 QPR3 Beta 2.1. The Android 16 QPR3 Beta 2.1 update introduces a few minor changes and several bug fixes for Pixel devices. First, let's check out an important security feature. Go to Settings on your Pixel phone. Scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Then tap Device Unlock. Here you'll see the Theft Protection option. Tap on it. Inside, you'll find several auto-lock protection features, including Theft Detection Lock, Offline Device Lock, Failed Authentication Lock. Make sure to enable all of these options. They help protect your personal data if your phone is ever lost or stolen. Next, let's check for the Google Play System update. Go to Settings. Scroll down to Security and Privacy. Tap System and Updates. Then tap Google Play System Update. From here, you can check for the latest security update. If an update is available, download and install it. Another small change is related to home screen widgets. Now you can easily resize widgets on the home screen. Just long press any widget, tap the resize handle or dots. Then use the plus or minus controls to increase or decrease the widget size. The layout automatically adjusts as you resize the widget. This works similar to what we saw in the earlier Android 16 QPR3 Beta 3 build. Finally, this update also fixes multiple bugs. I've added a link in the description where you can check the full list of bug fixes for Pixel devices.